Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and I am very excited to reveal the teaser of Mahindra Lifespace's newly launched project in Hope Farm, Whitefield, East Bangalore. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now let me show you the actual land parcel of the project, and this is the land parcel, where the construction work will start very soon and the marketing office will come up over here itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with the developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And this project will be constructed on total 8 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 30 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is exactly located on Whitefield Hoskote Main Road in Hope Farm Junction, Whitefield, East Bangalore. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So now let me show you that the Hope Farm Channasandra metro station is just 2 minutes away from the project, which is just behind me over here. And now one more thing, so now you can connect to Delhi Public School in just 5 minutes. Brigade Uptown Mall is 10 minutes away from the project. Hope Farm Signal is 20 minutes away from the location of the project. And one more thing, let me show you that this is the Whitefield Hoskote Main Road, and this road will connect you towards Hope Farm Junction. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you grand clubhouse of ground plus 2 floors, swimming pool, kids play area, garden area, gymnasium and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built up area, and as mentioned, this project provides you 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK starting from 1200 square feet to 1350 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1725 to 1900 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 2100 to 2200 square feet, 4 BHK is 2350 square feet, 450 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So the project is in pre-launch stage, and so EOI window is open now. So interested client can visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual location and the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was the teaser of the newly launched project by Mahindra Lifespaces in Hope Farm Junction in Whitefield, East Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.